Apple is setting the stage for a wireless revolution with the upcoming iPhone 17 Air, which is expected to eliminate wired charging altogether. If true, this would make the iPhone 17 Air Apple's first completely portless smartphone, relying solely on Qi2-certified MagSafe wireless charging and cloud-based data syncing. Apple's vision: a future without cables. For years, Apple has pushed the boundaries of smartphone innovation, from removing the headphone jack to eliminating physical SIM card slots. Now, industry insiders suggest that Apple sees the iPhone 17 Air as the next step in its broader transition to fully wireless devices. This move could signal the end of traditional charging cables, leading to an era where smartphones operate without any physical ports at all. According to sources, Apple aims to create sleeker, more durable phones that are less prone to dust and water damage caused by open charging ports. Without a USB-C connector, the iPhone 17 Air could be thinner than any previous model, offering a streamlined design while maintaining high-speed wireless charging and seamless data transfer. Overcoming regulatory challenges. Apple's decision comes after initial concerns over European Union regulations, which required smartphones to adopt USB-C ports for universal charging. However, the European Commission has recently clarified that portless phones are exempt from this rule. As Commission spokesperson Federica Micolai explained, if a phone does not offer wired charging, then it is not required to have a USB-C port. This clarification removes a significant regulatory hurdle, allowing Apple to lead the charge toward a wireless-only smartphone future. Apple's strategic approach. Previously, Apple was compelled to switch from its proprietary Lightning port to USB-C to comply with the EU's Common Charger Directive, a law designed to reduce electronic waste and ensure standardized charging across mobile devices. However, this law applies only when a physical charging port is present. By removing wired charging entirely, Apple sidesteps the mandate and introduces a new standard for smartphone charging. Qi2 MagSafe, the future of charging. Apple's Qi2-compliant MagSafe technology, which has now become an industry standard, appears to offer charging efficiency comparable to traditional cables. The new MagSafe system enables fast, reliable wireless charging and secure attachment to accessories, reducing the need for physical connectors. Apple has already phased out SIM card slots in select iPhone models, and analysts predict the company may continue removing physical components to create thinner and more lightweight devices. By eliminating ports, Apple could also enhance device durability and make future iPhones more resistant to damage from water and dust. iPhone 17 Air, the slimmest iPhone yet? Reports suggest that the iPhone 17 Air will be Apple's thinnest smartphone ever, featuring an ultra-lightweight design with an improved battery life and enhanced wireless capabilities. It is expected to debut in September, and analysts believe it could influence the future of smartphone design, potentially leading other manufacturers to adopt similar portless technology. A new era begins. Apple's decision to eliminate wired charging could redefine how smartphones are designed and used. The shift to entirely wireless charging and data syncing means users may no longer need charging cables, making smartphone usage more seamless and futuristic.